Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a low sleek bun. Okay, so I'm going to show you my method, the way that I do it, because my hair is thick, so this is a nice little easy way to get the job done. So I'm starting off with my hair already pre-damped. So as you can see, and I parted, I'm going for a center part. So I already parted my hair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some conditioner, for the moisture, because you want to make the area lay down to the cuts. Like you want, one time you look on your ear, you can say, watch it, you go for this look for your ear. Okay, now I'm going to take the brush, I'm going to brush it down. Like my hair is thick, so I have to always come up with like my hair thick enough. So I have to always come up with like different ways to get the hairstyle that I want, and this works for me. Okay, so I'm going to take some gel, some of my Eco gel. So I like doing videos like these. Like it's really nice, because I know that other persons have like my type of hair and like certain hairstyles. You're like, okay, I wish I could do that hairstyle, but because of the type of hair that you have and the way all the ear just thick, like sometimes if I say, no, I'm not even think that my ear can do that, but your hair can. Now I'm just going to be applying some on the back. Alright, so what I do first is catch up one side first, get that side laid, and then combine the two sides and together with another scrunchie. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go down the middle and catch this side first, just to get it down. And then I'm going to take the scrunchie and get this one down. And don't worry if it feels flat, because when you add the other half of the hair, it's going to get tight. There we go. You can wrap it around your hair as much as you want. There we go. So I'm going to add some more gel to just sleek it down. You can use the edge control now for these little parts here. So I'm taking my contour edge control. Ugh. I'm just going in with my fingers and I'm going to lay these baby hairs down. Take my brush and brush it down. There we go. Okay, so now this side is down. I'm going to take another scrunchie and do this side, and I'm going to join them together. As you can see. It's a nice little quick hairstyle. As you can see, it's coming together. So there we go. So all I'm going to do is just finish laying down the other side. I'm getting a little straight areas that might have come out while I'm trying to get this to come together. And there we go. So what's up? What's new for everybody? There's a lot of things going on in this 2020, guys. But not lie, when time 2020 did start, I say, yo, I'm my year this, But then, virus, work and travel canceled. Yes, guys. I was going to go on work and travel for the second time this summer. I was excited, because work and travel, it's a nice way to meet new people from around the world and experience someone's culture while at the same time working. I feel like every university student, if at least one time, go on work and travel, because it's a great experience. I am glad that I was able to experience it before and could have experienced it again, but because of the virus, me not chance it. Me go forget to cut myself and call US where them have the highest coronavirus right now. No, me alright. I'm a yacht. Okay guys, this is what my hair is looking like. Me not to cut myself. I'm gonna no US right now. You guys, there we go. There we go. I'm just gonna add a few in the back. See guys, this is really easy for me because my hair has a lot, as you can see. My hair, look at that. That's a lot of hair. Like literally one time me got hairdresser, like back in the day when time we used to go to school and like mother used to carry my hairdresser, like make them rope twist my ear or just cornrow my ear. Like me used to sometimes feel sorry for them because I show up with this big amount of hair on my head and them for comb that me I say, oh god, like I'm gonna try to feel weird. Alright, so now I'm going to be making the bun around the back. So I'm just going to wrap it around. Get that little swoop. There we go. I'm going for a small bun. There we go. Look at that. And this is to show you that, listen, no matter the type of hair you have, like you can literally do any hairstyle, honestly, any hairstyle. Now like this look good. This look good. Okay, for the next like five minutes you can tie down your hair. Guys, so I just took off the hair tie and this is my hair, a little close up. I hope you like this video and do try out this hairstyle. There we go. But now I say everybody's supposed to go through this. Anytime you do your ear, it's just like a certain level of hypeness you give yourself. Like I say, yo, look at me, like hair done, eyebrows look neat, face look cute. Like, so I want y'all to comment in the comment section down below if you would do this hairstyle, and if you do, please tag me, post it on Instagram and tag me. My Instagram is mandy.2_.xoxox. I want to see you try this hairstyle, and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look at that. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.